Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Siddharth. Good evening, Shan.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, Abhinav. Good evening, Aryan. Good
Good
evening,
evening, ma'am.
Siddhi.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, children?
Fine.
Okay. So let's start, beta. So we were doing our nature of the roots, right? Screen is visible. Tell me, children, screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Class 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, in last class, we have discussed about nature of the roots, right? Nature of the roots. Let me recapitulate. So we have a standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A polynomial becomes equation when it is equal to 0, right? So now, first condition is you will find discriminant. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, right? So discriminant 0. It means value comes positive. So therefore, roots are real and different. Roots are real and different. Okay. Now in second case, if discriminant is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. And third is when discriminant is less than 0. It means all the negative values. Suppose if you will get discriminant minus 5, minus 10, or whatever, minus 220, minus 210, then roots will be, then roots are not real. That is, they are imaginary. Have you remembered, beta? So, your roots will exist only in two cases. When your discriminant is positive, means you will get value of d as suppose 5 or 100, means in terms of plus sign only, okay? Then roots are real and different, and when discriminant is 0. So in two cases only roots will be exist. In third case, rule where roots does not exist. Okay. So now see questions on the basis of this.
What is happening? I came little bit late.
Actually, beta, I have recapitulated only. Okay. Which we done in the last class about the nature of the roots. So first of all, you will find the values of A, B, and C from the equation which is given. And then after that, you will find discriminant. Discriminant is represented by letter D.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Ma'am,
Discriminant
then,
B square. Yes, beta.
ma'am, then what do we use the other formula for?
Which
Which
one?
includes
Quadratic
B
formula.
and yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now add the quadratic formula. When you are not able to factorize your quadratic equation, you can use this formula also. So quadratic formula is so you can apply this formula in case of existence of root only. Okay. So it will be x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Clear? So now see, let's start. See your question number 1. Find nature of the roots, find the nature of the roots of the equation if real roots exist. So there is a condition. If roots exist, then only solve. So for equation is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So first of all, you will write with comparing. So on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The values of a will be beta. Here coefficient of x square is a and here is 2. So value of a is 2. Right? Now, Siddhishri, tell me value of b beta. Siddhishri,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me value of b beta.
Ma'am, value is x.
Value of b is c. Coefficient of x is b. And the equation coefficient of x is minus 3. So value of b will be beta minus 3. Right, Siddhishri? Now, value of c will be
0.
beta c plus 5.
Fine.
So it will be 5. Okay, Siddhishri?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Thank you, beta. Now see, children. Now we have to find nature of the roots. So you will find discriminant first. So value of discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So right here, b square minus 4ac. So value of b is minus 3 whole square minus 4, value of a is 2 and value of b is 5. Then 3 square is 9 minus 4 to the 8, 8 5s are 40. So it will be minus 31. Now tell me from the cases or you can from the condition, the roots exist or not? Just tell me. Yes, class
Ma'am,
10. Yes.
Roots do not exist.
Yes. Roots does not exist. Why? Because your discriminant comes in negative. Right? So roots will be imaginary, not real roots. So you will write as discriminant is less than 0. Therefore, roots are not real. Roots doesn't exist. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav, Aryan, Meher, Dharya, Shyam, and
Yes,
Siddhishri,
ma'am.
have you understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please note
Yes.
this. And kindly turn on your cameras, beta. Please note this. No one wants to turn on the camera. Hmm? All are facing network issue. Abhinav has turned on. Siddhishri problem, I know. Meher has turned on. Aryan?
1 minute.
Please note this, children. Hurry up. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Meher, return. Arya, Shyam, Shri,
Yes, ma'am.
Dharya. Okay. Now next question is 3x square minus 4 root 3x. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 will equal to 0. Okay. Yes. Dharya. Dharya. Am I audible, Dharya? Okay then. Meher,
Yes.
beta, tell me the values of A, B, and C.
A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 4, 4 into
Root
3,
3. Yes.
and C is
And
equal
value.
to 4.
Yes. Very good, Meher. Now we have to find discriminant first. So it will be B square minus 4AC. Right? Just put the value. Minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4AC. Value of A is 3 and value of C is 4. Now see children, you have to multiply minus 4 root 3 multiply minus 4 root 3. So minus minus will be plus. Then 4 4 is 16 and root 3 in multiply root 3, 3. So it will be 48 beta. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will write here 48 minus 4 3 is 12. 12 4s are 48. And it will be equal to 0. Now tell me whether roots exist or not.
Roots exist.
Yes, because as we got discriminant is equal to 0, therefore roots are real and equal. Right? So in second part, what we have to do, we have to find them. So simply, you can apply the quadratic formula. So by quadratic formula, or you can split the middle term also. Okay. So by quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So let's see. See, value of b is minus 4 root 3. Minus is already there, minus 4 root 3 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. This discriminant you have already evaluated. So it is equal to 0. You will write 0 divided by 2 into value of a is 3. Just write here 3. Clear, beta? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now minus minus plus. So 4 root 3 upon 6. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. So 2 root 3 by 3. Now this is a quadratic equation. Therefore, roots are equal. Therefore, roots are 2 root 3 by 3 and 2 root 3 by 3. This is the answer. Have you understood, beta? Because we have got discriminant is equal to 0. So if discriminant is equal to 0, it means the given quadratic equation has equal roots, equal real roots. So after evaluating the value of x, only you will get single value, but it is understood that it is a quadratic equation and real roots are there. So you will write next root same as it is as first root. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you
Show
again
me your
Ma'am.
thumbs
explain?
up.
Ma'am, can you again
Ma'am.
explain the quadratic formula?
Yeah. See. See, this is a quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is generally you can use where it is not possible to factorize. Okay. So here we have our coefficients and real in the form of real number. Or you can say now value of A was 3, value of B was minus 4 root 3, and value of C was, what was the value of C? It was, so you will write here 4. Okay, so minus B. Already minus sign is there and minus 4 root 3. So you will write minus 4 root 3. Okay, plus minus sign. Now B square minus 4AC. You can substitute the values or C. In discriminant, what is the value of discriminant? B square minus 4AC. And already you have evaluated and this value is 0. So just put in place of B square minus 4AC is 0. Divided by 2 into 3. Value of A is 3. Now, minus minus is plus 4 root 3. Plus minus 0. It is 0 only divided by 6. So, 2 3 is 6. 2 2 is 4. Now, you have got 2 root 3 by 3. Now, children, see roots are. When you have got this condition that discriminant is equal to 0. It means roots are real and equal. So, 2 roots would be there in quadratic equation. So, roots are equal. Therefore, you will write both roots are 2 root 3 by 3. Clear, Meher, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
is there a possibility that we get two different roots by using quadratic formula?
Quadratic, yes. In next question, I will explain this, okay? When roots will be different. Yes, Siddharth, Abhinav, Aryan, Shan, Meher, Dharyan, Siddhishri. All have understood, beta? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Shan?
No doubt.
Okay. Siddhishri? Okay.
Done, ma'am.
All have written? Show me a thumbs up if you all have written. Shan, Meher, Abhinav. Okay. Okay, Siddharth. Siddhishri, Dharya, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's proceed to next question then. See next question, beta. See, 2x square. Two x square minus 6x plus 3. This is the equation. Shan? Shan? Tell me the value of A, B and C, beta.
A is plus 2
A is 2, yes, good. Value of B is
minus 6
minus 6. And value of C is?
plus 3.
Yes, very good, beta. So now we have to examine first of all whether roots are exist or not. Okay, whether roots exist or not. So you will find discriminant. So it will be equal to b square minus 4ac. So value of b is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Right? So 6 square is 36 minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 20. Now subtract, it will be 12. Now this is greater than 0. It means positive. So your roots are, which type of roots these are? Roots are real and different. Roots are real and different. Understood this thing, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Class 10, please reply, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if roots are real and different, then in this case, you have to evaluate them also. So, first of all, you will apply, then you will apply this quadratic formula. So, by quadratic formula, so it will be x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So value of b is minus 6 plus minus. Now value of b square minus 4ac already you have evaluated and it is 12. So write here 12. Clear? Divided by 2a, value of a is 2. So 2. Clear this thing, beta? How to put the substitute the values? Now in next part, in next line, you will write minus minus plus plus minus. Now factorize it. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. Divided by 4. Now make pairs, beta. So after making pair, 2 will come outside the pair square root. So you can write 6 minus plus minus 2 root 3. This step is clear or not? Tell me, beta. See, under root 12 it is. So you can make the factors, prime factor 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. Now in finding, evaluating square root, you have to make factors in, you have to make pair in 2. Right? So this 2 will come outside and it will be 2 root 3. So now, if you will observe the numerator, you can take 2 common from the numerator. So take 2 common, 2, 3 plus minus root 3 divided by 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then it will be 3 plus minus root 3 by 2. Now here, see, here we have got 2 sign, plus and minus. So you will write roots are, firstly you will consider plus sign, 3 plus root 3 by 2. Then second factor will be 3 minus root 3 by 2. That's why we are writing here 2 signs, plus and minus both together. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Meher have understood. What about others?
Understood.
Okay. Please note it down it.
It is scroll up.
It's fine now.
Yes.
And tomorrow, beta, I have to go somewhere outside. So that's why I won't be able to take your class tomorrow. Okay, but I will compensate that class. Okay, on some other day. Okay,
Okay,
children?
ma'am.
So tomorrow there will be no maths class. Only maths class not there. Okay. Rest classes would be there.
Means we only have science class.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, we won't have science class in place of maths.
Not sure, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
It will be decided by the admin staff only, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Note it down, children.
Yes, ma'am.
All have written. Kindly show me a thumbs up. Okay, Shan. Okay, Siddharth and Siddhishri. Okay. Yes, Dharya. Dharya, am I audible? Today, where are you, beta? Okay, children. Now, next question is, children, kindly try this question with yourself. Try to solve.
Ma'am, isn't this the second question?
Yeah, beta.
It's the same question, right?
Second question.
Ma'am, it's
This
3x
question we
square
have solved.
minus. Yes,
Just
ma'am.
wait.
4 root 3x plus. It's the second question.
Okay. Let me check. Don't worry. Yes. Both are the same. Leave it then. Proceed to next. See. Solve this question. Find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. If real roots exist, Meher, are you writing, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First of all, find which type of roots are there.
Ma'am, is it real and different?
Real and different.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Meher. Then find the roots also by using quadratic formula.
Okay, ma'am.
Siddhishri, have you solved beta? Shan, Abhinav?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you repeat?
Yes. Aryan, Dhairya, Siddharth, have you got? Have you got real and different roots? No. Okay, Aryan. I'm explaining then. See, 2x square minus 3x plus 5. So first of all, you will write the values of A, B and C. Right? Now in next step, you will find discriminant and this is equal to B square minus 4AC. So put the value of B as minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5. So 3 square is 9 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 5 is 40. So it will be minus 31 beta. So roots does not exist. Right?
Oh. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Be careful while solving the questions, while doing simplification regarding your positive, negative, multiplication.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, but all I've done. Now see this question. This is previous year question only. Find the roots of the equation. This question came in 2018. See, find the roots of the equation. X square minus 3x minus m into m plus 3. And where m is a constant. So there are two ways. First, you can apply quadratic formula or you can split the middle term. Right, children? Am I audible, children?
Ma'am, but solving it, we get like x square minus 3x minus m square minus 3m. Right?
Say, yes. First of all, what you will do? No need to multiply first of all it. Okay. So factors are already given m into m minus 3. And we want 3 only. So when you will get 3? When you will subtract these factors. Am I correct? So 3 you will get. Tell me, children. So x
Yes,
square
ma'am.
minus, you can write it like this. M minus 3. Clear? And
Ma'am.
minus m plus 3 is equal to 0. Now
Ma'am,
open this.
Ma'am, can you
Yes,
can
beta.
you
can you
repeat?
explain it again?
Yes, see. Let me raise this then. Children, first of all, tell me, to split the middle term, what will be your first step? Then you will multiply your last constant term with coefficient of x square, right? And coefficient of x square is 1 only. So m into m plus 3 into 1, it will be m into m plus 3 only. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Now, you have to make factors of this. So what do you mean by this m into m plus 3? It means m multiply m plus 3.
yes.
Right? So add them first of all. Add them. M plus 3. Then it will be 2m plus 3. So our motive is not solved because we want 3 only. Now subtract them. M minus m plus 3. So it will be m minus 3. Cancel, then minus 3. We have got our motive,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So what you will do here, x square minus m plus 3 minus n. May I write like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus m into m plus 3 is equal to 0. Now open this bracket. Don't cancel that. So x square minus m plus 3 into x. So minus plus mx minus m into m plus 3. Have you understood this step? I have not solved it. You have multiplied this m plus 3 with x and this m with x. Right, beta? See, we used to do like this now. Suppose 4 plus 3 into x is given. Then you are multiplying minus 4x minus 3x. We are doing this only, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So here also we have two factors. So you will multiply both the factors with x. Now tell me in between first two terms, what I can take common? Which term I can take common? Only x? So x minus m plus 3 is the first bracket. Now between these two, what I can take common? M and m. In both the term it exists. So you will take m common. Then x minus m plus 3. Now tell me, have you understood this step?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Meher. What
Yes,
about
ma'am.
other?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can write your factors as x minus m plus 3 and x plus m. Now we have to find the roots. So you will put them equal to 0 is equal to 0 and x plus m is equal to 0. Then value of x will be m plus 3 and value of x as minus m. Now have you understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
All have understood or is there any doubt? I can explain it once again. Siddhishri, Meher, Dhairya, Siddharth,
Understood.
Aryan, Abhinav.
Understood, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Please note it down it. It's very, very important question. And this question is from pre-YQs only.
Completed.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait.
Okay. Okay, beta. Now I proceed to next question, beta.
Ma'am, wait. Ma'am, you can move.
Okay. Now see, in board exam, questions come like this. On the basis of this nature of the root, find value of k, find value of k for which the given equation real and equal roots. Suppose question is given like this: 2x square minus 10kx, 10x, sorry, 10x plus k is equal to 0. So how you will solve it? First of all, you will write the values of a and b and c. Okay. So value of a will be 2. Value of b will be, speak children, value of b will be minus 10 and value of c will be k.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you have given this condition that's real and equal roots. So for this condition, your discriminant should be equal to 0 or not? Right? You will write here for
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
real and equal roots. Your discriminant should be equal to 0. So, therefore, b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. So, now put the value of ABC. So, value of b is given minus 10. So, minus 10 square minus 4, value of a is 2 and value of c is k is equal to 0. Now, 10 square is 100 minus 4 to ja 8k is equal to 0. Then minus 8k will be equal to minus 100. Transpose this 100 to the right hand side. Then value of k will be minus 100 divided by minus 8k. Sorry, not k. Only 8. Now divide it by table of 2 first of all. It is 50. And this will be 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4 and this will be 25. So value of k will be 25 by. This is the answer. Have you understood, beta? These type of questions we did in polynomial chapter, in which zeros were given, right? And you have to find the value of k.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we
Yes,
are
beta.
not going till the points, right? We are not
What?
multiplying and we are not dividing 25
No
by 2.
need to divide, beta. Okay. Have you seen any quadratic equation in terms of decimal?
No, ma'am. So, ma'am,
In
is
fraction you
can
can
we,
see.
ma'am,
Yes,
like,
Abhinav?
can we create roots in decimals?
Yes, you can write, but it will be not looking good, na? Suppose if you are writing the 12.5. So suppose the equation is 2x square minus 10x plus 2.5. Okay. So beta, to solve this equation, you will convert this now again in this fraction in number, whole number only. Then you will take LCM. Right,
But,
beta?
ma'am, wouldn't it be perfect? Like, it would
What?
actually come. Ma'am, but wouldn't it be like complete and perfect without leaving it in between?
You can. This is not the thing that we can't write in fraction. We can't write in decimal. You can write in decimal. But to
Okay,
solve
ma'am.
it again, you have to convert into whole numbers, right?
Okay. Pardon, ma'am, just a thought.
Yeah, yeah. Note this, beta.
Done, ma'am.
All have done?
Yes, ma'am. Can we leave?
Okay, beta. Yes, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
beta. Bye, beta.